formulae, and particularly in this case substituting into formulae. I've taken a formulae for motion, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. This is a formulae connecting velocity, acceleration and distance. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is acceleration, s is the distance. So we've got two situations, one where we're trying to find v and one where we're trying to find s, and we're given values for the other three variables in both cases, and it's a case of substituting those in and finding out what the velocity is or what the distance is. So getting started, we always write out our formulae, which we've done there, and then we substitute the values in. V we're looking for, so we leave it as v squared. U is 6, so we'll square 6, and then we've got 2 times the acceleration, which is negative 1.5, times the distance, which is 9, and working out those values, we've got 36 plus now 3 times negative 1.5 is negative 3. I'm just going to leave it as a negative number there, and that's going to be times by 9, and then we've got that 36 plus negative 27, because that's negative 3 times 9. You should remember from your directed numbers or negative numbers, if you add a negative, some people remember it as a good thing happens to a bad person, it's bad. So 36 minus 27, and that gives us 9. So v squared equals 9. If we square root both sides, always doing the opposite, just like solving equations, then v is equal to 3. Moving on to the second example, we do the same process again. V squared equals u squared plus 2as is our formulae. On this occasion we do know v, so we put 5 squared equals 12 squared plus 2 times 2.5 times, well, we don't know what s is, so we're going to leave it as s. So we've got 25 equals 144 plus 2 times 2.5 is 5, and that's times by s. We're going to need to solve this equation that we've created. So we've got minus 144 from both sides, so we end up with the unknown by itself and the numbers on the left hand side. If we do that, we're going to end up with negative 119. We've taken away the 144, so we're left with 5s on the right hand side. The next step will be to divide by 5, and 5 goes into 120 24 times, so actually it goes in 23, and then there'll be a remainder of 4, and we're divided by 5, so it's a remainder of 4/5, which is 0.8 on the end, and that is our value of s. So we've taken our formulae, substituted in, and worked out the unknown.